Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a simple yet all-time favorite sweet snack, caramel corn. With just a few basic ingredients, we can create a crispy, sweet, and addictive treat. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. First, prepare the following ingredients. Sweet corn, choose fresh ones, 100 grams of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and butter. Lastly, cheese. Make sure the corn is thoroughly washed, and if needed, you can remove the kernels from the cob beforehand. Step 2. Cooking the corn. Next, we'll cook the corn. First, heat a pot over medium heat. Once it's hot, add butter to the pot. Stir the butter until it melts evenly and wait for a few minutes. Once the butter is melted, add the corn kernels to the pot. You can pour all the corn at once. Stir the corn so it mixes well with the butter. Don't forget to add the seasonings prepared earlier to enhance the flavor. Boil the corn for 10 to 15 minutes until it's fully cooked and tender. While we wait, let me tell you a little about caramel corn. Caramel corn, or caramel popcorn, is a type of confection made from popcorn coated in a caramel layer made from sugar or molasses, usually less than 1 millimeter thick. The sugar solution or syrup is heated until it turns brown and thickens, creating caramel syrup. This hot candy is then mixed with freshly popped popcorn and allowed to cool. Sometimes a candy thermometer is used because making caramel requires time and skill to prevent the sugar from burning. The process results in a tasty or savory snack because of its delightful flavor. Some types, after being coated with the candy syrup, are baked in the oven to set the mixture. Caramel corn mixes sometimes include nuts like peanuts, pecans, almonds, or cashews. Caramel corn also offers several benefits, such as contains the antioxidants, zeaxanthin, and lutein, which are good for maintaining eye health. Contains insoluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E. Has antioxidants that act as anti-carcinogenic agents. Provides energy. Maintains bone and dental density. Promotes mental health. Good for heart health. Protects against free radicals. Alright, let's get back to the recipe. Once the corn is cooked, remove it from the pot and drain it. For corn kernels, make sure you boil them after removing them from the cob for even results. Step 3. Serving. Our caramel corn is ready. Place the caramel-coated corn on a serving plate. If you like, sprinkle a bit of salt on top for a balanced sweetness, or add grated cheese for a flavor variation. And here's the final result. Simple and delicious, right? This caramel corn is perfect to serve warm as an afternoon snack or as a treat for family gatherings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next video.